Hey, Big Bird.
Yeah?
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Okay. Me dare you to throw firecrackers at Elmo.
Oh, yeah!
1 hour later.
Boy, such a beautiful day at...
What the fuck? Hey, that was so funny, Big Bird. What's your problem? Hey, stop throwing fireworks at Elmo! Hey, that was so funny. Stop it! Throw another one! Oh, hey, that's so funny. Hey, Big Bird, throw